Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm here with a new video. In this video, I will show you how to add Snapchat best friend you accidentally removed or blocked from your Snapchat. How to re-add this friend. First of all, open Snapchat and now you have to tap on profile on left corner of your mobile. Here is the next option of setting. Tap on it and you have to scroll down to blocked contacts. And now here is the block user. Tap on it and now tap on this one, this name, and unblock it. Are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchat? Yes, you have to tap yes and this will be unblocked. And after that you have to go back in add friend and simply search unblocked friend by writing their name, or you can simply add their number in your contact and find out your friend name here. Simply write name of friend you unblock and here you will see the option of your friend. Simply tap on it and add it just like that, and it will be added in your friend history, and you can add your friend back or that you removed or accidentally blocked. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.